Good morning, first grade. It's so nice to see you again. This is Mrs. Smith, and welcome back to another weekly music lesson. I hope everybody is happy, safe, and healthy. And I'm so excited for what we're going to do today. We have some new things going on, we have some review. So let's get started. And I shall share my screen. Sharing that. All right. Well, boys and girls, you know the drill. Every music class, we start off with our hello song. So this time, I would like you to sing the purple. I'm going to sing the black words, and then we're going to switch. My turn first. Hello there. How are you? It's so good to see you. We'll sing and be happy that we're all here together again. Ooh, got a little bit of a cough this morning, first grade. All right, this time you sing the black words, I will sing the purple words. So in other words, you are going first and I am going second. 1, 2, here you go. Hello there, how are you? It's so good to see you. We'll sing and be happy. Good. First grade, just keep that beat on your head, please. I would like you to pick a part. You can pick any part that you would like. I'm going to sing the black words. You can pick any part. Black, purple, it's up to you. Just keep that beat on your head. Ready, here you go. Hello there. How are you? It's so good to see you. We'll sing and be happy that we're all here together again. Fantastic job, everybody. So we're going to review some of our rhythms from last week. Can you raise your hand if you know what this note is called? Yes, this is a ta, boys and girls. A ta has how many sounds? 1 or 2? It does have 1. A ta has 1 sound. Can you go ahead, clap after me and say ta? Nice job, everybody. Raise your hand if you know what this note is called. If you said TT, give yourself a pat on the head because you got it. All right, boys and girls, the TT has how many sounds? 1 or 2? It does have 2. TT has 2 sounds. That's why our friend here has 2 circles at the bottom. He has his stems here, and then he sort of holds hands because he really likes being best friends. So can you go ahead, clap, and say TT? Nice job, everybody. I'm going to give you a couple patterns. Please clap and say them back. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. Ti, 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 ta. Ta, ti, 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 ta. Awesome job, everyone. All right, so I have a new song for you. The ESR song is about a snail friend. This snail, his name is Bob. So we have Bob over here, and then we have Lily over here. So we have Bob and Lily, and they are our snail friends who will be joining us for our snail song. All right, boys and girls, I want you to keep the beat on your head. Please listen first. Snail, 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 go around and round and round. Snail, 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 go around and round and round. Now, boys and girls, if you hear that my voice is like a little crackly today, Mrs. Smith has been sick for the last couple of days, so that's why I might sound a little bit different today. My voice might sound a little bit different, but we're still going to go ahead with music because the music never stops. All right, boys and girls, keep the beat on your nose, please. All right, and here we go. Please listen to me. Snail, 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 go around and round and round. Snail, 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 go around and round and round. Now, boys and girls, we have 4 lines to our song. We have 1 line here. Oop, we got 1 line here. 2nd line, 3rd line, And fourth line. I want you to listen for which lines sound the same and which lines sound different. So keep the beat on your shoulder. Listen for which lines sound the same and which sound different. I will hold up finger numbers for each of those lines. My turn, please. Snail, 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 snail. Go around and round and round. Snail, 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 snail. Go around and round and round. Now, boys and girls, I am going to put a capital A by that line. That line matches. There is another A. Can you raise your hand if you think it is line 2 that matches line 1? Raise your hand if you think it's line 3. Raise your hand if you think it's line 4. Let's see what happens if I put an A there. I'm going to sing both of those lines back to back. I want you to give me a thumbs up if you think they sound the same, thumbs down if you think they sound different. Here's line 1. Snail, 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 snail. Here's 3. Snail, 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 snail. Thumbs up if yes, they sound the same. Thumbs down if no, you think they sound a little different. Oh my gosh, they do sound the same. So lines 1 and lines 3 are exactly the same. We're going to make them, they're going to be blue. So line 1 and line 3 are going to be blue. Now we have line 2 and 4. So let's see if I put a B here. And if I put a B down here, I'm going to sing those back to back. I want you to listen and see if they sound the same or if they sound different. So thumbs up if they're the same, thumbs down if they're different. Here's 2. Go around and round and round. Here's 4. Go around and round and round. Yes, they sound the same. No, they sound different. They are the same. They're exactly the same. So we're going to make them, let's make them a dark green so they can match Bob and Lily down there. Perfect. All right, boys and girls, can you please sing after me, please? Beat on our chest. Nice and gently. My turn first. Snail, 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 snail. Go around and round and round. Snail, 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 snail. Go around and round and round. My turn first. Listen longer, please. Snail, 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 snail. Go around and round and round. Good job. Snail, 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 snail. Go around and round and round. My turn first. I'm going to sing the whole song, then you sing the whole song. Sail, 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 sail. Go around and round and round. Sail, 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 sail. Go around and round and round. Good, boys and girls. Can you sing the whole thing with the piano, please? Whole thing, ready, here you go. Last time with the piano, go. Very nice job, boys and girls. You can go ahead and stand up wherever you are at home. And I want you to put your hands up tall like a tree. If you are standing up in your space, go ahead and put your hands on your head. If you are standing up tall in your space, put your hands on your belly. All right, boys and girls, so you know the drill. We have our color game. Now, red is freeze. Green is walk. Yellow is super slow. Blue is jump. Now make sure, even if I'm playing music, you need to make sure that your body is safe. You are moving safely around your home, around wherever you are taking this music lesson today. So make sure that you are moving safe and making sure that you are keeping your hands to yourself. If you have a brother, sister, a family member floating around, make sure that your hands are being kept to yourself, please. Go ahead and walk. If you're frozen, put your hand on your head. Super slow. Nice job walking. Oh, I love your jumps. Finger on your nose if you are nice and frozen, like a popsicle. Good job jumping. Super slow. Nice job walking, everyone. Hand on your ear if you're frozen. Nice job, everybody. And go ahead and find a seat where you started. All right, boys and girls. So let's just quickly say our Miss White rhyme. This is how we learned about Ta and Titi last week. Keep the beat. You can pick where you want to keep your beat today. All right, say it with me. Miss White had a fright in the middle of the night. Saw a ghost eating toast halfway up the lamp post. All right, boys and girls. So in the weeks past, you have decoded how many sounds are in a beat and what kind of rhythms go with those sounds. So today you are going to see a slide in your classroom. So you will see a slide in your classroom, and your job, your assignment this week is to, of course, watch our lesson video and make sure that you click mark as done. But you are also going to see one of these slides attached with your assignment video. Your job is to click it. And after you click it, your job is to figure out how many sounds are in each one of these parts. And then your job is to match the rhythm with how many sounds. I'm just going to get rid of that guy. So I'm going to start this with you, and we're going to do the first 2 boxes in each line. This upper line is for how many sounds, either 1 or 2. These 4 boxes down here are for you to move your rhythms so that it matches. So boys and girls, if I'm looking at the first beat, and halfway is up there, can you keep a beat on your head? And can you say halfway? Go ahead and tap that word and say halfway. How many times did you tap your fingers for halfway? Was it 1 or 2? Raise your hand if you said 1. Raise your hand if you said 2. If you said 2, you got it right. So boys and girls, to put the numbers, either 1 or 2 in this box, you are going to, I'm going to click out and show you. You're going to move your mouse. You're going to click it so that your box sort of highlights blue. You should see this little blinking line. Once you see the blinking line, you can enter in a 1 or a 2. Let's try the next box. So we have up the. So can you keep a beat and say up the? Good, get out your rhythm tappers. Can you say up the? Listen for how many sounds. Up the. How many times did you tap up the? Raise your hand if you said 1. Raise your hand if you said 2. Good. So boys and girls, now that we have how many sounds, we have 2 for here, we need to match what rhythm goes below it. So we need either a ta or a TT to go in this box to match the 2 for sounds. So boys and girls, which rhythm has 2 sounds? Is it ta or TT? Listen again for 2 sounds. Ta, TT. Yeah, the TT. So boys and girls, you won't need to copy this. This will all be there for you. Once you are doing this yourself, you would drag a TT over there. So that way the 2 matches the rhythm below it. How many sounds are for up the again? 2. And which rhythm did we figure out has 2 sounds in it? Is it ta or TT? It is TT. And like I said, boys and girls, you will not need to copy and paste it like I am doing. That will already be ready for you. So boys and girls, your assignment in addition to watching this video is to finish this slide. In the top boxes, you need to have the number of sounds that occur in the word lamp and the number of sounds that occur in the word post. So you would write either a 1 or a 2 and a 1 or a 2 in that box as well. After you finish typing in the number of sounds, you are going to drag either the ta or the TT into those boxes here and there. So you need a number in these 4 top boxes here. You need a rhythm in these 4 boxes down below. When you are done filling in your slide, all you need to do is X out of it, and it will be sent to me directly. You do not need to send it back to me. You do not need to email it to me. All you need to do is click into your slide, move the rhythms, enter in the numbers, and then just exit out because it will save it into the Google Drive for first grade music. So If you have any other questions, of course, as always, I'm here to help you. Feel free to email me. If we need to set up a Google Meet where I can specifically walk you through those steps, I'm happy to do so. And I hope everybody enjoyed today's music lesson, boys and girls. I know I did. I know we had some really fun things going on that were brand new. So I can't wait to see you next week. Hopefully you will be seeing a little bit of me in your live classrooms. My plan is to jump on your classroom teachers' morning meetings, maybe some of their afternoon meetings, so that way you can see me and I can see you. And that way we can talk a little bit. So boys and girls, I hope you have a wonderful day and I can't wait to see you again next week. Bye everyone.